So in today's video, we're learning how to take a shape in PowerPoint and morph it into another shape without having that fade effect. So it really morphs the shape, which is pretty cool. So let's start from a blank slide, and I'm going to choose the layout blank so we have nothing on the slide. Now I want to start from a circle. So I'm going to drag a circle, hold Shift, and put it on the slide. I'm going to put it on the left side so we can easily see what we do. Now I'm going to create a new page, so new slide, and I'm going to draw let's say a triangle. So that's the biggest difference in shape, and put it on the right side of the slide. Now, if I just apply morph, and that's what happens with a lot of people, it will fade away and it will appear on the other side. Now that doesn't really look nice. And the reason that happens is because it's two different shapes. So if we were to apply morph and put it here, you see the shape moves and it's the same shape. But if you have a different shape, we have to notice it, or we have to explain it to PowerPoint that it is the same shape. So what I'll do is I'll go select the shape, go to shape format, selection pane. So here we have to do the important thing. We do 2 exclamation marks and then we type in shape. Small letters, large letters, doesn't really matter. I'm going to copy this, but the 2 exclamation marks are important, and press enter. I'm going to do the same for the triangle on the next slide. So this one's called a triangle. Paste in the same name and press enter. And now it merges, or it sort of knows that it's the same shape. So if we go to transitions and morph, we can see it already nicely previews. So let's put that on full screen. And here we can see the circle. And as soon as I click, it morphs and really takes in all the states in between to create that nice morph effect. So now you know how to do this. And if you never want to make a bad slide ever again in your life, I have an entire program available that teaches you all the fundamentals you need to know to become an expert slide designer. The cool thing is you'll know exactly how to take a bad slide and turn it into an impressionable, impactful slide. So if you want to learn how to do that, the program link is in the description below. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.